Let me show you how you can digitalize your calibration process without making big investments. Beamex Logical is the latest generation of cloud-based calibration software. If this sounds interesting, stick around. Hi, I'm Jonas with Beamex. Logical is the latest calibration software from Beamex. The past 30 years, Beamex has provided license-based on-premise software, and the big difference to Logical is that Logical is a cloud-based subscription software. All you need to operate the Logical calibration software is a laptop or mobile device with a browser and an internet connection. The typical purpose of a calibration software is to store the results of your calibrations. At Beamex, we want to help you to also digitalize and, as far as possible, automate your calibration process. Getting started with Logical is super easy. All you need to do is to go to logical.beamex.com and sign up. You can invite your colleagues and/or partners to cooperate in the same environment. You can start storing results in the database right away with Beamex calibrators, but not only will your results be stored in the Logical database, you can also store the instrument data for future calibrations. In other words, you can manage your site's plant structure with the help of a hierarchy. This way, you will receive reminders on the Logical dashboard about instruments that are or soon will be due for calibration. Accurate references are an integral part of calibration, and inside Logical you can store information about your references, such as when they are due for recalibration. The references do not have to be Beamex devices. Now, let's assume we have entered the information of our instruments and references to the Logical database, and Logical is communicating to us that one of the instruments is due for calibration. The next step is to check out the instrument to create a calibration task. In this process, you need to select the reference of your choice and assign the task to a team member. After this, you can synchronize the task to your Beamex device, or if you want to, you can use any reference of your choice, even a non-Beamex device, and document the results manually, but still in a digital format. And this is done with the BeMobile application on your mobile device. The benefits of using a Beamex calibrator is that it will guide you through the calibration and letting you know which set points you should use. Again, it's based on the instrument data that you had already entered to the Logical database. Once you're done with the calibration, all you need to do is to synchronize the results back to Logical. After this, you can return to review the results anytime you want, and you can analyze any calibration data that you have entered. Logical is ideal for storing your calibration results. The results are always accessible and stored in a safe place. If you want to, you can of course generate a certificate to store it somewhere else. To start using Logical, just go to logical.beamex.com and sign up for a limited time free trial. Once the trial has ended, you can ask for a quote or buy a subscription online. You can start with a monthly subscription and the costs will scale based on your usage.